we learn how to download JDK. So for that you will be downloading using this link, and I'll be providing this link in the description or comment section. So once we download this, we will be setting path. Then now you can see that it is downloaded successfully. So now we have to set up this JDK. So click on that, then you have to click on next. After that, this dialog will open to install that. Then in that we will be clicking on the next button. Okay, so click next, then it will show the directory where it will be installed. Then next, it will take a time. Okay, now close it is successfully installed, so we will be closing that. So click on close. Then now we will be setting the environmental variable path. So for that, type advanced, you will look for the view advanced system. Okay, then click on environmental variable, then path. Then here we will be copying the part of JDK. So for that, let's go to our location where our JDK is installed. So that's in our C drive, and program files, then Java, then JDK, then bin. Now we will be copying the path. So simply go to path and copy it. Now go back to that environment variable path, then click on new, then paste that path we have copied, then click on OK, then OK, and then OK. Now check Java whether it is installed or not. So for that, we have to open command prompt. So simply type window and run, then cmd, then here type Java version. Okay, so now it will give us this version of, so you can see it is successfully installed. So have a good day. Bye bye.